Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a rice dish a little bit different, as this recipe belongs to the Persian cooking recipes, and we are going to use rice, beans, tomato puree and mince. You can use either beef or lamb, and onion, plus some spice. I have got all-purpose seasoning, turmeric, and salt, pepper, and cumin. You can use either cumin seed or cumin powder. Let's start cooking, and hope you enjoy this recipe. I would like to add some saffron to my dish. I'm going to use Persian saffron, and as we know, it's the best saffron around the world. Just leave it like this and let the ice melt. Our rice is ready. As you can see, the result is crusty end. Can you hear that? And fluffy rice with a layer of mince and beans, with all of those spices, and of course with saffron. So I'm just going to plate it here. So that is the best. And I prepared some salad and olives and yogurt dips. So if you go back to my first video, you can see the recipe of salads and yogurt dips, and I'm going to share it with you in a future video also. So this is my Persian rice with mince and green beans. Hope you like this recipe and enjoy making it. Please like our video on YouTube and subscribe our channel. Till next, keep safe.